Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best, most reliable, and easy-to-use products in the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we believe is the best aquarium filter for your home setup: quiet, powerful, and incredibly easy to install. This is the Tetra Whisper IQ Power Filter for up to 45-gallon tanks, flowing at a strong 215 gallons per hour, and equipped with Stay Clean technology. Inside the box, you'll find the filter body, intake tube, pre-assembled motor housing, and one Tetra Whisper Bio Bag filter cartridge, size large. Setup is very straightforward, even for first-time aquarium keepers. Simply snap the intake tube into the base, insert the cartridge, and hang it on the back of your tank. Plug it in, and you're done. No priming required, thanks to the self-priming, submerged motor. This filter is designed for aquariums up to 45 gallons and processes 215 gallons of water per hour. That means your tank's water is being thoroughly cycled multiple times every hour, ensuring a healthy, oxygenated, and crystal clear environment for your aquatic pets. What truly sets the Tetra Whisper IQ apart is the sound dampening design. It operates at under 40 decibels, that's softer than a quiet library. So if your tank sits in your bedroom, living room, or workspace, this filter won't be a distraction. The motor is housed in a sound-shielded chamber, and the vibration is minimal. Let's talk about Stay Clean technology. This isn't just a marketing term, it's a smart feature that helps maintain healthy pH levels inside your tank. That means fewer fluctuations, less algae, and ultimately less maintenance for you. The filter cartridges release a water conditioning additive that helps reduce sludge and dirt buildup while keeping your fish healthy. The filter also uses the large-sized Tetra Whisper Bio Bag cartridges, easy to replace monthly. Each cartridge contains ultra-activated carbon that traps waste, discoloration, and odors. You can also clearly see the water being pulled in from the bottom, filtered through the bio bag, and returned cleanly into the tank. Replacing the cartridge is simple. Just pull out the used one, slide in a new one, and you're good to go. No messy dismantling, no complicated steps. If your tank is smaller or bigger than 45 gallons, Tetra offers multiple sizes, from 10 gallons all the way up to 60. That means you can enjoy the same reliable performance and quiet operation, no matter the size of your aquarium. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned aquarist, the Tetra Whisper IQ Power Filter delivers a powerful, quiet, and easy-to-maintain filtration system that keeps your aquarium looking beautiful and your fish healthy. And that's why we at Product Critique are calling it the best aquarium filter in its class. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.